are going to be putting together boxes. Now, I have a couple of ways that I put boxes together really quickly. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to put together boxes based on the size of the box. So what you're going to need: boxes, heavy duty tape, like packing tape. This is shipping tape. And that's it for putting together the box for a move. I'm going to start with the small box, and what I found to be the easiest way to put together one of the small boxes, lining up the box and then taking one piece, like a smaller piece of shipping tape, to hold it together, and I lay it across like this so that the box piece is together. Then going over the box, pushing it down so that it is solid. Ta-da! Now depending on what you put in it, you might want strips of tape on that box. But that's the easiest way to put together a small box. Now, a medium-sized box, like this one, takes a little bit more finagling. So again, I do the tape across to hold it together. There. And then another piece so that it does stay together no matter what you put in it. Now, the large boxes, or extra large boxes, these are the oversized ones. What I do for these is I'll take a piece and I will lay it over so that I line it up on both sides like this. Then I can add the tape going across. Ta-da! Now, if you have boxes that are already kind of like semi-taped, what I would recommend is just ensuring that the tape is really solid. Like this one, I would add another piece of tape to this box because you can feel it could easily be poked and would kind of like fall apart. So if you find that you have some boxes that are already put together, just make sure that the base of it is solid before you start packing items in it, because the worst thing would be to pack up a box and then pick it up and everything falls out of the bottom. Okay, another way to put a box together is to take tape and line it up on one edge, push the other edge down, and then smooth it over. You have to find a way that works for you.
love what you see, don't forget to subscribe. New videos every Wednesday.